I am awesome. I am awesome. Hey guys, what's up? And today I will be doing a video like always, and I am on my YouTube channel. On the YouTube channel. It's an unboxing, like my iPhone 7 Plus. I'm counting on you guys. $500, which probably ain't gonna happen. I'm just saying, but if I count on y'all, I trust in y'all, I count on y'all. Missing? Today's an unusual day. Something that might happen, something that won't probably happen. Today, I will show you some cool features about the new nerf rival. And I do video on an iPhone 6. I do video on an iPhone 6. I have two, the one that I'm recording on right now. Give me a second. I have one that's cracked. It was exactly like my iPod. Okay, I can't find it, but I don't really care. Wait, give me a second. Is it in here? Didn't find it. But I do have something else that I'm gonna do in this video or the next video. I don't know why. I just might. I don't know. I don't know. So here are some cool features. Two cool features about the new nerf rival. So first is safety mode. It's right here, right? When you see it like this on the side, it's like that. That says rival. On this side, when it's pushed in, that means it's not on safety mode. So when you're, well, it is. So like when your little cousin comes or like somebody else, and they're trying to shoot you or something. Wait, I had 2 bullets in here. Sick! Well, I have 2 bullets in here and it's on safety mode. So like if I try to shoot my phone down, I can't because it's on safety mode. Then when I put it on this side, when it's like that, when I push that side down. Oh shoot, that just shot. Holy cow, that just shot. I can't believe that just shot. Okay, so you may think these tiny balls won't hurt you, but that gun is strong enough. It can actually give you wounds. It's basically a paintball gun, just nerf. Now get outside. You guys can't know where I am. Because then you know. I'm going to put you guys back up. Okay, so I have this that I'm going to review. That was the first feature. The second feature is actually this part. It's not up here, like it doesn't slide up here anymore. When you slide this back, that doesn't load it. You just put the bullets in, all the bullets in, load it. Oh, and this is something that I don't really like. Like when you push it forward, sometimes it shoots and fires. You're going to see how fast this goes. I'm going to back up because this thing shoots hard and fast, and I don't want to crack my phone. I missed. I'm so sorry, phone. And there you go. That thing shoots hard, fast, and it will possibly kill you. If you have all 30 bullets and no protection and you shoot them really close at the same time, in the same spot, same time. Yeah, you could possibly die. I don't. Yeah, you can't die. You can't die by these things. But they are pretty powerful. That's one thing you gotta warn. Here's another feature that's I think's weird. Cause this one right here, like this one on the top, it's wide open and it has this. And it's weird because whenever you fire, does it like, it seems like it moves as fast as it can because this thing shoots fast. See, look. I load it. I put it back. It's right there. Watch. Let's try that again. I'm going to put you guys back up. How does it do that? It does not. So, one of the things that I really like about this gun is that it has safety mode. So, you can, yeah. Your little cousin comes over. I love it. They load it and they can't fire. I'm surprised because that actually shot when it was on safety mode. So that's a new nerf rival. I've had this since 2017. It's now 2018. You know that if you've seen, I think it's Let's Play. Well, you'll see if you've seen all my videos. And please subscribe, turn that bell icon on, and comment and tell me if you like this video and what I should do next. I have done an unboxing of the iPhone 7 Plus. Here, I'll let you guys see it. Do you want to see a little part of my video? I'll turn it around. I'm at my dad's house. Here, take it. He has a printer, speaker, 2 guitars. I actually have a guitar. May seem weird, but I do. It's where the place that I was yesterday and earlier today where I did the Note 8 in all my other videos. And unboxing the iPhone 7 Plus in this video is the only videos that I have done here so far. So now I have like 127, 237, I don't know. I can make a lot of videos in just 1 year. Even though I'm like 8 right now. Soon I'll become 9. As always, hit that like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. I already told y'all. But first, let's take a little sneak peek of my video for the iPhone 7 Plus. Or should I say unboxing? With my other phones. So help me get $500 so if you guys know that. It looks better like this, but it doesn't give you a good video camera, but this does. Actually, I'll give you one last look at it. It's pretty nice. This phone is. There's your sneak peek. If you enjoyed this part, I'll let you see the title. You'll know that's me after this video. I look amazing like that, even though I'm just staring down. Unboxing iPhone 7 Plus. Exactly like that. So right now, I'm going to zoom out of this iMac. Actually, delete this part. How many comments have I had? Oh, yay! I had a comment by Clea Ballard. My sister. Actually, I actually did that because I don't know why. I just wanted to feel good and positive. So my channel is called Kai Ballard. So if you type in unboxing iPhone 7 Plus, when you just do unboxing, it should do the iPhone 7 Plus. Don't get confused with the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. And when this video is uploaded, you guys will see it, hopefully. But right now, I don't see it. I see one that was, I see one 10 months ago, 4 months ago, 1 year ago, another 1 year ago, a year ago, 7 months ago, and 4 months ago. So if you guys really want an iPhone 7 Plus, it comes in different colors. So there's matte black, jet black. I'm going to go to apple.com. I can't remember all of them. There's one thing that's annoying about every computer, like you're just what should I watch or what should I type in? It just goes straight to this. And yes, the HomePod is now out, and if you've seen my other video, I will be giving away that. And Apple AirPods. My sister has that iPhone 8, that exact color, just not the Plus. Okay, so what you do is you click iPhone, then you click iPhone 7. This thing is kind of slow. There. So I will list the colors. Here is the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. My dad has the iPhone 7 Plus, and if you guys really want me to have better cameraing and like better videos, yeah, you see I'm blush because I'm kind of sick. I feel fine though. That's what I'm feeling. So yesterday I did a couple of videos about the Note 8. I said I was switching. I might not. I don't know. I might just use all phones. Because, I mean, seriously. You guys know I'm a phone lover. Well, you will now if you know that I just told you. You guys know I'm a phone lover. I'm smiling because I see the camera switching. Like the camera switch button. You know, like there's a little icon. If you were signed in, you click that. And then you start a video. I'm just making my teeth funny with the camera on it. So I will give you a little tour for y'all. I have done a video that was 30 minutes, which was the Note 8, which was kind of dramatic. So there's your models. Oh yeah, I forgot to list the colors. That's what you guys will help me get if you see my unboxing iPhone 7 Plus. So it comes in jet black, matte black, white, I think that's what it is, gold, and rose gold. So that's the colors for that. It's mostly the colors for all of them. I'm going to scoot back. Oh shoot, I couldn't have just done that. So I'm on the screen right now. I'm going to show you. This is your little tour. There's a button on the side that you can click. That's a white one. That's a gold one. That's a rose gold one. That's a black one. Okay. So this is what they include inside the box. The box is actually really fancy. I'll zoom in for this. So right now you get the ear with lightning connector because it no longer has a headphone jack. It also comes with that. So if you still have headphone jack headphones, you can use that. Comes with a phone, charger, brick, and then that. Let me zoom you guys out. There you go. So now I will be zooming down. Oh, and yeah, the iPhone SE 7, 8, and X. And then that's all for that. And if you guys want better stuff like this, I'm trying to talk louder. My voice is getting a little crumbly in all my videos. I talk like this. Hi guys, blah 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 blah. But now I'm talking louder. Yay! And so this will be iPhone 7 Plus slash rival. My next video will be about my dad's Apple Watch that he doesn't even wear. Seriously. He doesn't even wear it. He forgets it to the gym. He's like, oh no, I forgot my Apple Watch. I don't care. That's what I was like. He forgets everything. For like my school thing that I did, it was a historical thing, which you guys probably don't know. But you might, I don't know. So, like, my dad, he's like, oh my gosh, I forgot my coat. And I'm like, you forgot your ID because you need an ID to get into my school. And he's like, and I'm like, what about your ID? He's like, oh crap, I forgot. And so, yeah, that was kind of funny. So, hopefully you guys like this video and my next video. Look where this thing landed. Right on the piano. Perfectly fine. I'm sitting. It's right there. Let me flick it. That was stupid and easy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want better cameraing, like way better. I mean seriously, I need a selfie stick. Because I mean really, everybody does this. I really need a selfie stick. Actually, I have one here. Say hello.
Hello to my little friends.
You guys will know who she is if you watch her channel.
Go check out.
You know who that is if you've seen him in my video, my dad. You have a selfie.
Ballard, that's my channel. Y'all go check it out.
Are you gonna come back and watch my girl with us?
No. So you have a selfie stick in your room, right?
No, it doesn't work.
Who cares? That's because it needs charge. That's why.
I charged it like 1,000 times. And even if I do, you're not using it.
I don't care. There it is. It's right there. It's right there. She already knows I'm gonna take it. She doesn't even see me. Okay. So that's great. So now I'm gonna use her selfie stick instead of just putting my arm up like this. Hey guys, like I just seen. Yeah, I don't do that stuff. Actually, you guys should check her channel out. It's pretty cool. Oh shoot! Crap! No! You guys will see me like this from now on. Oh wait, shoot. You guys can't see me. This from now on. Yay! You're like so far out. Hi guys, today I will be doing a thing about the iPhone iMac. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be like that until I fold it up. And use it like this. Like, whew, I'm so tired of holding it like that, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so if you guys are really interested in the iPhone X, it's right here for you. I got it there for you. Hope you like this video. Comment, subscribe. I haven't had any commenters except for me. It shows your Ballard. And if you guys want to see my family, you can. Like one more time. Like my dad and my sister. Let's go see him. This will be way easier, but it's gonna hurt my neck way more. Cause I have to look up way higher. At least I get a better view. I get a way better view like this.
Oh my.
Go check out my YouTube channel.
My dad.
Please subscribe to his and mine.
Yes,
I would like myself.
I've had 8 subscribers so far. This is hurting my neck, so I'm going to pull you guys down. So if you guys are really into the iPhone X, the iPhone X is dope. Yes, I am taking you, Matthias. Actually, go check him out. You guys probably haven't heard of him. He does a lot of comedy stuff. Like, funny stuff. Yeah, he does all of that. For y'all. I was faking it. You hear that? Hear that? It's right there. See the blue thing? Kalia! This is actually ours because I spent some of my...
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
I know you didn't.
Oh! You just got busted, so I can't use
Gave
it.
it to me.
Did I, Kalia?
Cause I spent like 600 points on that. I needed like 15.
Okay, so like I'm wearing my dad's Apple Watch and check this out. So like it does that. Oh shoot, it's Siri. Sorry.
Because you're trying to do stuff.
You guys go down. Apple Watch go up. I don't care if Siri doesn't have connection. Sorry about that, guys. You probably didn't really need to see that. Yeah, I'm surrounded in the sky. Okay. So, you guys want to see my drum set? Of course I do. Of course I do. See this? No, you don't. Drum set. Piano. Me! So, if your parents are thinking about getting them a new TV, I got the perfect one for them. So right now I'm in my dad's room. As you can see, all of this stuff. You guys, if your parents have this, comment down below. Tell me like that's the iPad. Like right there. That charging station thingamajiggy. Not my dad's iPad. So if you guys have an iPhone X, you want a fast charger, doesn't come with it, check out Mophie's new charger. This is Mophie's new charger that works for the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and obviously X. So I will fold you guys back out. And so, like, if your parents are seriously looking for a TV, and, like, this is no joke, Samsung makes TVs. You guys probably already knew that. But this one, I don't think so. That's a curved TV with an Xbox hooked up to it. That's an Xbox 360, the old one. Who cares? Seriously, that thing looks amazing. So, like, here, let me show you the remote. The remote is fancy. This is the remote. Now, you're going to get to see it turn on. Oh, shoot. Look. There it goes. Give it a second. Great. That's the turn off button now. Give it a second. Boom! That is just amazing. And if you guys like 4K, you guys like the stream 4K, and this is 4K. So you got, look. Then you see this little home button on this? If you click it, it brings up all of this. So like if I wanted to watch one of my YouTube videos, let's do it. it shows YouTube videos. When I go back, it shows Netflix. There, that. There, that. That's actually... And that's Coco. It shows Coco. I don't know why, it just does. So right now, I'm going to go to YouTube. It looks like this. You have to get the app. Go here, go up. Yeah. No! So, if you guys haven't played, I'm going to explain to you a fun game to play. It's called, hide and go seek base tag. So, like, you choose a base. Rock, paper, scissors, who counts. And you have to hide, and without them looking, you want to get to the base. That's not me. I am not that old. So don't think I am. You guys see that? Look, this is funny. Space. Here, let me zoom in for this. If you guys know what space X is, look. Space X. Space X. Get it? Space X. The rocket, Elon Musk. Yeah. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you know all the letters and all this. Right now, I am typing my name in so you guys can see the 4K on this. Why the heck did I go back? My head's getting a little tired. I'm not who you think I am. No, don't get mixed up with me. What? What the heck is that guy? What the heck does he think he's doing? Someone's new. Don't get mixed up with K Ballard. It's K-A-Y-E. That's not how you spell my name. It's K-A-I-B-A-L-L-A-R-D. It's harder with a remote and a TV in my hand. The remote in my hand, it's harder. Because I have to actually scoot it over. Like, click the button and then click the center button. No! This thing goes so slow. Oh, right underneath. Look, there's K Ballard for you. Not me! That ain't me! Okay. So right there, you got Kai Ballard. D. It won't show my name automatically. Like, it doesn't show it like this. Search. There you go. That's not me. That's me! My mom made me this. There you go! That's my channel! It's funny because you guys only see the curve. I don't see the curve anywhere. Watch this video. Ha ha! This is its 4K. It looks amazing. This thing's 4K looks amazing. Zoom out. Can you guys see? Oh shoot. There, now you can see. Don't get in the video. Stop
you guys.
I'm never putting you in my video ever again. I'm kidding. She's my sister. I love her. That's how this thing's 4K works.